Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 27. This series gets consistently suppressed on here, so I'm just going to give the highlights, and if you want to see more details, go to my Substack. California 37 Rep. Sydney Kamlager-Dove has this incredible series called Is This Ish Legal? Yesterday's episode was about the illegal birthright citizenship order. Continuing his Organizing Everywhere tour, Ken Martin is now in Wisconsin knocking doors for Susan Crawford. The election is April 1st, and we have to win it if we want to keep Wisconsin trending in the right direction. And DNC co-vice chair Malcolm Kenyatta posted this incredible video about Project 2025, specifically how it's being implemented. The staff at California 4 Rep. Mike Thompson's office are having office hours on Thursday. It's a brilliant idea, and you should ask your representative to do the same. Dave Min had a roundtable discussion with environmental community leaders in Orange County on how the pausing of government funds has affected their work. California 50 Rep. Sarah Jacobs met with Sparta Pride members who are current and former trans service members on what it's like right now. Alyssa Slotkin was in Michigan's Upper Peninsula at one of the highest VA-rated hospitals in the country to find out how they're being impacted. California 44 Rep. Nanette Barragan was at the March and Rally for Immigrant Rights in Wilmington. She also talked about the importance of Know Your Rights. Indivisible Rhode Island held the Fight Back, Give Back rally at the Rhode Island State House, and both representatives spoke. Seth Magaziner, District 2, and Gabe Amo, District 1. And finally, Schumer met with New York labor leaders, healthcare advocates, and organizers to figure out how to stop the GOP plans. Hopefully, this post was short enough that it actually gets views. As always, please add what your favorite fighters have been doing today. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.